So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create new style of 3D title animation with using Element 3D plugin. Okay, so guys, firstly I'm going to create a new composition, this one, and composition name take anything, presets use full HD frame, and duration I use 10 second. So press OK, yeah, and fit to 100% check. So guys, now I take new solid layer and solid layer name, that's my background BG. Yeah, and guys, I go to effect and preset and type ramp. So select this gradient ramp, apply on background. Yes, and guys, ramp channel change and change position also. Yeah, guys, now this time I change only color. Guys, I create orange type of effect. So use H. See guys, that's my color code. H I take like 14 and like 80 and 100. That's my light orange color, and this time I create dark orange. So same 14 and guys this time 100 and 65. Yeah. So press OK. Yeah. See guys, that's my orange background color, right? Okay, so guys, next one I use text tool, this one text, and guys type your letter like orange, this one, right? Okay, so guys, made an alignment, right? Okay, so guys, see, that's my text and font name magic font, that's my magic, like that's my calligraphy effect, right? Okay, so next one guys, again I take this time new solid layer and E3D. So press OK. So guys, this time hide this text and select this E3D and apply Element 3D plugin. Yeah, and guys go to custom layer and custom text and use text one, this one, that's my text, and go to screen setup. Yeah, and click on extrude. Yes, see guys, that's my text, right? Okay, so guys, now I change bevel effect. So go to presets and bevel, and see guys, that's my bevel. You can take anyone, but I like this time this round bevel effect like this. It's really smooth, right? Okay, so guys, select this extrude, that's my text, and bevel copy this one. I take 2. Yes, right? Okay, so guys, go to material and apply material. This time I use paint red material and change to this one. Yeah, right? It's really good. Okay, so guys, select this paint, this one, and now I increase depth, this one, extrude. So extrude increase like this, like 0.8. Yeah, and go to here bevel 2 and increase like this, right, like 1.8. yes, right? Okay, so next one guys, go on here expand edge, so decrease like this. See guys, that's my overlap, so hide more. Yes, yeah, I take minus 1.5 and bevel size increase like this, more, like 1.5 is good. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful text, right? Okay, so guys, see, that's my lighting effect, so use this one, product. Yeah, that's it, right? See, okay, so guys, text is finished. That's my simple text effect. So press OK. Yeah, and now I take camera and preset 35mm and press OK and closer like this and rotate your camera angle. Yeah, beautiful, right? Little bit more closer. Yes, right? See, okay, so guys, select this E3D layer And this time I go to on render setting, physical environment. Guys, I increase lighting, so exposure 1.5. Yeah. And guys, gamma little bit increase more. Yes, better. Right. Okay, so guys, lighting same product, use this one. And guys, I go to ambient occlusion check. Guys, quality use high and intensity like 8 is good. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, radius little bit change. Yeah, and output, guys, this time SAMP I use full. Yes, right. Okay, so now guys, this time I apply curve tool for color correction. So select this curve, drag and drop on E3D layer and increase like this. Yeah. See guys, that's my beautiful effect. Okay, so guys, now you can also change this material color. So go to again E3D and setup. So guys, go to here and remove unused material. Select this red material. I change to orange. So guys, go on here. I take orange color. Yes, good. Little bit more change. Like 65. Yes. And press OK. Yeah, this one is good. That's my orange color. Yes, better, right? Okay, so now guys, select this curve again one more time, drag and drop on here, and this time little bit darker and increase. Yes, much better, right? See, beautiful curve effect. Okay, so guys, all is good. Now I create lighting. So light. So guys, light type I use parallel, this one. Intensity is good and press OK. Yes, much better. See guys, that's my lighting effect. Right? Okay, so guys, lighting is good. Next one guys, I apply optical light effect. So use this one, new solid and light 2. Press OK. So go on here. And this time I apply optical flare light, this one. Yeah, and click on option. And guys, see, that's my clear all. Press OK and select this glow light, this one. Simple glow. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful stylish gray color. I like this one also. So optical flare, go on mate, this one. Yes. And guys, you can change mode like add. Yeah. And guys, brightness is good, scale size little bit increase, and brightness also change. Yeah. Guys, also change color. So color like orange color. Yes. See guys. Yeah. Beautiful. See guys, that's my beautiful title effect, right? Okay, so guys, now I create camera movement animation. So go to 10 second and camera, press P and position check. So go on here, 0 frame, and guys, camera angle change. Also closer. Yeah. Yeah, this one is good. So guys, select this keyframe and press F9 and select last one, F9 and play. Okay, see guys, that's take little bit time. So guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.